Hi guys, as promised, we are back to our rental unit and would like to show you what has been done in order to make it ready for our new tenants to move in.
So we are here at the kitchen, and as promised, we have some upgrades we made to that kitchen. So the appliances stay the way they've been. It's good appliances for this property. The cabinets been refreshed. We have a new handles. We have painted the cabinets in and out, and we have a brand new hood fan.
We are here in the living room and I would like to show you this nice flooring. It's vinyl plank and it has been installed throughout the main floor. I think it looks great.
Guys, I'm sure you remember from our previous videos, the walls we showed you were dirty and thatched. Now you can see all of it been fixed, repainted. We have a new baseboard installed and ready for our new tenants.
Smells so fresh. Those carpets have been deep cleaned and those 3 bright bedrooms are ready to be occupied.
Hey guys, there's a second floor bathroom. It's been done pretty nicely before, so didn't need much work. We professionally cleaned it, painted it all, and it's now ready for use.
This beautiful unit has been fully prepared and we're very excited for our tenants to move in soon.
Guys, if you have any questions regarding your own rental property and about new tenants who are going to be moving in, what to do, what not to do, give us a call. We're always happy to help.